lovers of good things, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Ladyzion Sweethome, and if today is your first time coming across this great channel, you are highly welcome and well appreciated. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I make my vegetable stew. Oh my god, for my returning subscribers, awesome people, amazing people as always. So if you decided to join us right now, you will never regret joining this great family. And if you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe. I tell you, you will not regret joining us. Oh my god, I will wait for you. Go and subscribe. It's absolutely free of charge. The reason you are subscribing is for you to be notified anytime I put on a new video, so that you will be notified. So without taking much time, let's go right into this video. So you can see all we have here, but I will go ahead and introduce all the ingredients. First of all, we have our melusa, what we call meluzzo. They do call it meluzzo, but in Italy here we call it meluzzo. In our Nigeria accents, we do call it melusa. I decided, you can see, this will be so rich, delicious and healthy. So I decided to change the type of fish I am going to use for this recipe and introduce all the vegetables. I told you this is vegetable stew, all is organic. So I will raise up the train because we have so many items. Everything have been washed and well prepared. Is for me to slice them. So this is my lettuce. We call it lattuga in Italian. This is carrot. This is carrot, and this is broccoli. This is broccoli in Italy, and this is tomatoes. That is salad tomatoes. You can also eat these tomatoes like this, but it's very good for vegetable stew. So, and this is my Scotch bonnet pepper. I'll be using 2 or 1, but I don't know yet. So this is my red bell pepper and yellow bell pepper. So these are all the ingredients we are going to be using for this recipe. And this is the onions. The onions have not been sliced, and I'm going to do that. This is the 2 onions. This is garlic. I have my garlic. I also have rosemary leaf here. I have black pepper. I also have oregano leaf. I have oregano leaf. So, and this is my seasoning cube, what we call Maggi cube. So these are the ingredients I'm going to be using for this recipe, and you can use any ingredients of your choice that you know that you add. You can use any of them. And this is vegetable oil. This vegetable oil, I love using it anytime I buy this thing. So this came with that insalata di amare. Is a couple of fish, different type of fish and different type of seafood, like different types. So they always package the fish with this oil. I throw it away. I do use it because of that taste of lemon inside the oil. I love using it. I will add this one little from here, and I will add it to this so that it will be enough for me to use. This is, and all these are the rest ingredients. You can use any one. Many of these ingredients you use for jollof. You see our onga is here. Onga, yes, we know this right from Nigeria. We know this. So this one make it so as in it will be more colorful and more flavor, if you like the flavor that comes out from this onga. But I don't know if I'm going to be using it. Either I use onga or I use curry powder. So I'm going to use one of the two, and the rest ingredient is for jollof rice. So guys, let's stay tuned to this video. Stay tuned to this video and don't miss this video. Please guys, if you love this video, don't forget to share it, like it, always give my video a thumbs up. Without you guys, I don't think there will be Ladyzion Sweethome here in this platform. Guys, please support your sister. Please support your sister. Oh my God, let's go ahead. Thank you for always coming. So guys, see, my meluzo have been sliced. Can you see? If you want to enjoy this meluzo, don't cut it so big. You have to cut it a little bit small, like to be flat, so that it will be easy for you to fry. Meluzo is very hard to fry. Yes, that's why sometimes when you are not ready to eat it, you don't just go for it, because and you cannot use it when it's fresh like this. Not that you cannot use it, sometimes it will just pieces in your food. It will not be enjoyable. So this is how you can enjoy it. Just make sure you slice it so flat. If you can do it flatter than this, is okay. So this meluzo, this is how you can enjoy meluzo. So it has been washed. You know, meluzo need to drop our water so that it will be easy for me to fry. I will just add salt. So I'm going to rub it all over the fish. Just press out the water. So you can see a lot of water came out from the fish. Can you see this? So guys, the food is about to start now. First of all, I decided to use this pot that I want to use for this stew to fry the fish, because you know meluzo is so sighting, like meluzo they sight well. So I just want to use deeper pot so that I can cover it if it can't be like, say the sighting is too much, I can just cover it. I will be using this normal groundnut oil to do the frying of the fish. Add my oil. So the ingredient, everything is well sliced. Can you see this? Beautiful and healthy. Don't eat quantity, eat quality. The type of mask life, wash your hand life we are living right now, you have to eat healthy, not plenty. Can you see? This is my fish. I'll start frying it without taking much time, so that everywhere to not get rough. Maybe it's at my back as well. I don't want to injure her with oil, maybe when it's sighting. So guys, I just finished meluzo. Can you see? Okay, let me change the camera of the phone. There is flash, as in there is lights, so I have to change it. I'll add my ground oil. I didn't bother to wash the pot because it's the frying of the fish. That's why the pot is looking like this. So I will add my oil. This is the oil. I don't want those fish, and I'll add a little bit of this oil as well. This oil is very good. Can you see this? So this is the fish. This is so delicious, so sweet. If you don't know how to fry fish very well, sorry to say that, just know you cannot fry this one, because this fish is very hard to fry. And it also depends on the pot you are using. There are some pots that is good for this fish. You don't need to waste time for the oil to get hot. It's hot. The pot is hot already. I will just add my onions. There's plenty of onions which have been sliced in different way. You can see this type. So at the same time, I will add my carrots. But I want the carrot to be cooked a little bit because of my little princess. She's going to be eating from this vegetable stew. So guys, so the carrot is made a little bit, so I will add my fresh tomatoes. These tomatoes will make it a little bit juicy. My scotch bonnet pepper. I later sliced 1.5. I could not able to use 2. We'll go ahead and add all our dry ingredients. I decided to replace it with curry powder. My baby is here. So we'll stir everything together. So at this time we'll add red pepper and yellow pepper. So I'll add my Maggi cube. So if you cook any fresh meat, you can use the meat stock to cook this if you wish to. But I didn't cook this with any meat at all apart from the fish. I'll add a little salt. So at this time I will add my dry fish so that the sauce can go inside this fish. I will add it earlier because I know it's not going to scatter because it's wet dried. At this time, we'll add our broccoli. I will also add a leaf. You guys know I love lettuce very well. So this leaf and the tomatoes will make it juicy. You know we didn't add any water, so let's leave it for 3 minutes and see how it goes. So guys, oh my god, can you see how juicy is it? Oh my goodness. Without being told, you know this is going to be delicious. So if you enjoy watching this video, you love what you just watched, please give it a huge thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. I promise you will never regret it. So as I am talking, I am just taking my rice. My rice is waiting for me already. Zoom it for you to see how beautiful. Oh my word. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to enjoy. This is so juicy. Oh my goodness. Can you see this? So this is the end of this video. Remember to leave your comment at the comment section. Tell me what you think about this recipe. And don't forget to also give it a try. Thank you for staying tuned to this video. Thanks for watching. I remain the Ladyzion Sweethome. Bye bye. See you in my next video.